Ah, it's freaking bright as fuck outside.
I can't see shit.
Ah, no miro. Coronavirus. Ok, mis cuz, qué rollo, acá andamos. Mire, ahí está la pinche borrega y la pinche OBS. We're working on the freaking, the short end rear end, the narrow rear end. Ya vamos a ponerle el pinche eje, el que está más cortito para los billets, para los rines. Aquí está el güey. Here's the short end rear end. You can see how estas son los perches or the saddles or whatever you call them. So to fit them on the second gen, because this is a third gen rear end, but it's a 9.25, which is what we took off the ringer. So to fit them on the second gen, we gotta move these more in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure how it is on the ram right now, like the one it has on right now. I bought a new one of these because I get it right. I'm gonna grind these ones off just so it looks more cleaner. But right now we're just gonna degrease. I'm gonna take it apart, take off the disc, the calipers, all that. Then we're gonna take it to a car wash and just power wash it, degrease it, make it look nice. But this here it is. It was missing the pinion and the ring, which is what we went to go get. But yeah, we're gonna start working on it now. Now I need a 13. So we took off the calipers, disc. I'm gonna put some slotted and roaded ones. Some slotted and or whatever, those nice looking ones. Pero más a rato. So right now I'm gonna just take these off. Rear end. Like that pin. It's a little busted up. Should have just taken the posi we took off at the junkyard. Should have just took it off. Pero I'm gonna just take out I gotta take off the diff anyway so I could put in the gears. So just like how we did at the junkyard. Right now you just push the axles in. And then the clips should fall off. Por ahí están los ciclos. So just pushing the axles y ya. Take this out. Take off the axles. ¿Qué más? I'll clean in here with brake clean. Ahí tengo brake clean. But first I'm gonna take it to the car wash, get it all rinsed out. And we'll do that. They sell the paint at fucking Home Depot. Not Home Depot. Or what? AutoZone? I think. They should. I'm just looking at the camera. What are you doing right now? Alright, so I'm just laying down all the clips. We took off the rear end part. Took off the axles. They were a little bitch to come off, but they came off. Voy a quitar the diff. Clean it hella good, and then we're gonna take it to a car wash and then power wash it. Y luego ya de allí, we'll try to put it all back together and paint it, clean it, todo ese rollo. And yay. Let's go. Alright guys, thumbs up. We're gonna wash this bitch. De volada. We have the trash cans right there because we gotta throw away the trash. We're gonna pull this sucker out. Put some engine degreaser y ya. Give it a rinse y ya. We'll start working. Getting it ready to work. Para ponerle una bag so I don't ruin the bag. Pon una del otro lado. Fuck it. This is how you rebuild engines and rear ends and shit. Mira, si le quita toda la memoria. Like crazy. Where else? That's just as bad. Ya qué, güey. What if it what? Stains or something. I'll get banned from the car wash. Especially this one. This one's sick, güey. Okay, ahí está. Let's go to Dell. Let's go to Dell. Así dicen aquí. Let's go to Colorado. Let's go to Fed. Let's go down Fed. Let's go to car wash down Chubby. Aquí, let's go to Dell. Órale. Let it sit a little longer, or should I just let it sit a little bit? We should have taken that shit away. The cover. We forgot to take the cover. Yeah. That's what the men güey. Ay, con un rag. Well, we're going back to the car wash?
Yeah, let's go back.
Are you stupid? Okay, what do I have to do again? Alright, let's take it down. Oh, I'm gonna clean the inside con brake cleaner. And I'm gonna just, ¿qué más? Le doy una pasadita con pintura y ese shit.
Huh?
Get some paint. Is it gonna paint in the calipers? Black. I'm cleaning the inside, drying it all off. I gotta clean the tubes, like where the axles go. And I'm gonna change out these seals. I already bought them, so I'm gonna change out the seals real quick. Clean it, and I'm gonna start putting the diff back together. Or no, not yet. So I'm gonna clean it up, change the seals, all that, and then we're gonna take off the bed off the truck to get measurements, so we can start to know where we're gonna put the saddles on there. But she looks nice and clean now. Looks way better. I'm gonna straighten out those dust pans or whatever. They're all busted up. But it looks nice and clean in there now. Still got some brake clean for the diff and stuff. So I'm gonna just do that real quick. Yep. That was a fucking shit show, right?
Gas was everywhere.
Yeah, so since I put the fuel cell on, the lines, like, it was to the bed, to the lines. It was a bitch, so we ended up draining the gas. So we were able to take out the bed with the fuel cell. Gas was everywhere. Look, I'm all ashy. Agent didn't get any gas on.
No, I dropped it.
Because he's gonna have to weld.
Splashed it.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the old rear end, put it side by side, get measurements on the other rear end, yeah, and then weld up these saddles right here, which I got them inside, so we get perfect measurements. So I'm gonna take off the drive shafts, we're gonna take off the flip kit. What else we gotta take off? The brake lines, the shocks, all this shit. We already did it. We already took off the bed, so might as well. We gotta commit now. So let's do it. We're gonna take off the jack off the transmission. Yeah, we need the jack. Wait. Fuck, wait. I need a beer. We gotta do it. Wait. So fuck. We're gonna do all that. Hola. I'm gonna just record what I can. I'm just trying to get this shit done. I know you guys want to see it all, but
Where it's all done. It's probably gonna be nighttime.
yeah, it's probably gonna be all dark now. But I'm gonna try to hurry up and finish this shit. Pero yeah.
We will hit it.
Alright, explain to us what you're doing.
Taking off the flip kit.
What's a flip kit exactly?
So when you use it to drop the fucking truck, puts a leaf screen.
What could I do? How much is it? Could I do it myself, or do I need to take it somewhere?
Nah, you could do it yourself. It's not that bad.
What difficulty is it? 1 to 10.
Huh?
What difficulty is it? 1 to 10.
It's not that bad. It's like maybe a 7.
A good 7.
You gotta have your own. You gotta have.
I recommend an impact. Damn. First is hell.
Pero el viejo quería billets. Okay, guys. Entonces ahorita Adrian fucking left to work, so it's just me. It's all windy right now. I'm just trying to put the whole rear end back together. I'm putting the pinion gear in my little retainer, the one that do the backlash, and I'm doing the posi right now, like the limit, like the actual differential with the carrier and the ring gear. I put the ring gear on there and everything. Just putting it on right now. So there's the pinion. There's those little like ship things. Those are the little freaking I forgot what they're called, but they go in this bearing right here. And here's the actual diff. I put the ring gear already in there. I was just cleaning it up, but it's gonna go in already. Yes, I could put the axles. Yes, do. And I could put the wheels on, and then I'm gonna get measurements to see where Agent has to weld. But for now, I'm just putting the whole like the actual differential together. I know I gotta mess with backlash and all that. I don't have a Dell indicator, but for now I'm just doing it like this. Yeah, eventually I'll fix some new settings like the Dell indicators and like the backlash and all that. But for now I'm just putting it all together just so we could get measurements so Agent could put this out. Since we're way off. It's okay, we're figuring this out. So yeah, I'm trying to record the best I can, but like since I don't got Agent recording me now, I'm gonna just try to put everything together and then just update you guys here. So let's see how it goes. The way you adjust, so you put in those little like ring things that went in here, and then you mess with them over here, like you back them out all the way with the fly head, and you could like just loosen it all the way, and then this will fit in. The diff will fit in. Same with this side. You loosen it all in, and then from there you tighten it. You start tightening it like down. This one you go down. This one you go up, and then they'll come in, and then that's how you adjust your like teeth mark, like your pattern for your pinion and your diff. I just set it like randomly. Later on I'm gonna mark and see what the pattern is, and then I'm gonna change it. For now I'm just trying to put it back together. I put these caps on there, put the caps, now I put that axle over there. I put that side's axle, pushed it all in here, got a C-clip, and then put it in, and then backed it out. C-clip up there. Slide this sucker in. You might have to jump it. Just gotta feel for it. There, right there. Lined up, yeah. Put in your C-clip, right there, boom. And then you pull it back, put in the ignition, there, that's it. And then from there you just push the pin in, put this little bolt right here, y ya se shit. I'm gonna do that with it being all fucking windy and trash. Mis cuz, so that was
You always fucking do that.
what?
You always go like,
Here's it, John. We're over here editing the video. But that's done for the first part of the video. We just cleaned up the rear end, put it together, y that's it. This next video, we're gonna weld up the perches, get it to fit the truck and todo eso. So make sure to hit that like button so I could post that second part. We're almost there. Road to Billets. Ya saben, viejones.